the Camera 3-in-1 Lens Kit by Zeso. Just a disclosure, I did receive this product for free for the purpose of this review. You can see that it comes in a nice hard shell case, very sturdy. There's a place here to put a carabiner clip. Here's the clip if you want to put it on. And it comes with a carrying bag if you don't want to carry this around. This is a waterproof bag, so it'll keep the lenses from getting moisture. This is my own. I wish it would have come with something like this. And this is like just a cloth for cleaning your glasses, sunglasses. I wish this case was more like this material because it doesn't come with a cleaning cloth. And you can't clean it with this. You clean your lens with this and it's going to scratch. So here's how it's packaged. It comes with the clip and 3 lenses. So here's the clip. It's a nice long clip. From what I understand, a lot of these types of lenses on the market are short. Sometimes they don't fit all the way across the phone, but this one is really long. Goes all the way back to here. It's about 2 inches maybe. And it should fit most phones. And then there's 2 lenses on this one. They both have lens caps to protect the lens, but it doesn't have a cap to protect the back. So that's one thing I wish it had. There's the wide angle lens here, and then if you unscrew it, you have a macro lens. And this larger lens here is the fisheye lens. So you can see they're labeled. It says fisheye lens 198 degrees. And then here on top you have the 0.63 times wide angle lens. Unscrew that. And then you have the 15 times macro lens. So this clip is really nice looking. I got the red one. This is like aluminum metal on top. The rest of it's plastic. Both the inside of this side and the inside of this side are both rubber, so it sticks nicely to the phone. It won't slip off. So I have the iPhone 4 here. Pretty old phone, and it's a very tiny phone. My iPhone 5 broke, so it just screws on like that. Find your lens, and you just clip it on. And it works on the front camera too. The clip is strong and the rubber grips are sturdy. It's not going to slip off. Okay, so let's take a look at some pictures. So here's the fisheye test, taking a selfie. And then here it is in the same exact position with the lens off. So you can see that the fisheye lens captures a lot more of the scene. Here's another fisheye test. With the lens on, you can see the top of the buildings and everything in a lot more space. With the lens off, in the same exact position, you can't see a whole lot of the scene. Okay, so this next one is using the macro lens. This is without the lens. This is as close as I could get to the flowers without it blurring. And as you can see, it actually still is kind of blurred, but you put the macro lens on, and you can get much, much closer. Here's another one. That's with the lens off. Now, if you put the lens on, you can see just how close you can actually get. Now let's take a look at the wide angle lens. This is without the lens. Now if you put the lens on, you can see you get all the way to the top of the building and even more of the sidewalk. Something else that's really cool is that you can actually use it on your computer camera. If you have one that's small like that, just clip it on. So this is the wide angle lens on there right now, so you can see now it's getting the picture over here and the wall. If we take the lens off, you don't get to the wall anymore. That's my filing cabinet, and you can't see the picture on the other wall. Now if we do macro, so very blurry, but if you put something really close, all right, let's take a look at this bottle of sand. You can just clip that on there if you need to get a macro shot on your computer. Here's another one. Here's a little elephant. Look how close you can get. All right, now let's put on the fisheye lens. It captures the whole room. Take it off, and hardly anything now. So that's really cool if you want to capture photos on your computer, or if you're using your computer to record video. You have additional lenses that you can use to make your videos more interesting. So you can get the clip in blue, red, silver, or pink, and it'll cost $18.95. So if there was anything I would complain about it, it would be that it doesn't have a cap for the back of the lens and that it doesn't come with a cleaning cloth. But really that's about it. For $18.95, I think it's an amazing deal. And like you saw in the pictures, and using an iPhone 4, which is way old, it takes pretty amazing pictures. It actually makes that camera usable again. Just imagine what the quality of your pictures would look like on a newer camera, like an iPhone 6 or a Galaxy S7. I'm very happy with it. I'm really glad that I got this, and I would definitely recommend it.